myself a box of orchids from Holmes. So this is the unboxing, and they have taped it in this really weird way right across the middle here. It's been quite difficult to get it open. And oh, I have a kitten on the table. The last remaining foster kitten. Don't bother the bat box over there. Here. And she's yes, I have one foster kitten left, and she is all by herself. So we are letting her out into the house so that she can get some socialization, so she's not lonely in the foster home. All her siblings have been adopted, and I am never going to be able to open this. I have no idea how they have taped it shut here in the middle here like this. It is so strange. It's right across the middle. Oh no, if I open up an end, I'm never going to open this. So it's actually 5 of the same thing. They had a fire sale on Eplc May Bly cross to Green Leopard because they're not doing well for them in South Carolina. It's too cold. Not sure they'll do better for me, but I really love May Bly, and I think Green Leopard will have spots, so these could be really interesting. There we go. Opening the end was the way to go. And so I ordered a bunch of these. Mostly an unboxing of opening. This is very tightly packed. So these are going to come with some damage. They basically said that they're not in the best shape. I'm on the Holmes like weekly mailing list, so I get these emails telling me about specials. Holmes has flasks and stuff as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 packages here. Hello, Pinto. Are you here to chew on this stuff? So we'll just open one so we can see what it looks like. Probably boring to see me open 5 of the same thing. A little damp. Just ripping everything. So it says 3-inch baskets. So here they look. They've been, so you can see how they're saying that it's a little cold for them. They've got these browning tips. Of course, since my grow area in the winter is pretty cold, I have little brown tips anyways. So this will just look like everything else. I have a really hard time keeping Eplc and May Bly alive. I've done 4 of them now, and they do really well for me in the summer, and then in the winter, guess what? It gets too cold, and then they usually get rot, and then they die. So these are, oh wait, it's in a pot, but the pot is inside the pot is a basket. So I don't know if people can see that, like right there. I don't know if they'll come out of the pot. No, it's bound to the pot inside basket. I might want to take these out. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, little one? You're gonna bat this? Ooh. You gonna go for that pot? Kittens are very invasive. And since she's the only one left, we let her get away with all kinds of naughtiness now. All right, so that's what they're all gonna look sort of like this. I'm assuming they'll all are gonna be in a pot, and yeah, it's really not coming out, but I will be excited to try to get these. They're almost, I mean, they said they're listed as near blooming size, so maybe next year there'll be something going on. I got 5. You had to minimally get 5 in this special, and so they ended up being $9.50 each. And I'm gonna hopefully get one of them to bloom. Will you stop batting the leaves? Oh, oh. All right. So thanks for bearing with me during this very cat-filled unboxing.